My whole life, I've been fascinated with technology. I grew up in a time of innovations. I mean, the digital age cracked wide open when I was a kid. I'm talking about video games, home computers, movie graphics, CDs. When we were kids, all this stuff was coming out. It was great. It always made me wonder, what's coming next? And I'm kind of still like that. So I guess I've always had this real optimistic view of technology. Now I'm a video game designer and an app developer. And every day I think about how technology directly affects people's lives. I stay on top of the latest tech news, and I can tell you, you cannot believe some of the innovations that are out there. So in Best of Our Knowledge, I'm going to spread the word. I'm going to give the viewers something they want to share. Look, the future that we used to dream about, that's here. Except for flying cars. I mean, it's something they're working on right now, but it's not exactly how we all envisioned it. But you might be surprised at all the stuff that is here now. For example, there's this really impressive research being done with artificial intelligence. Meet iCub. This is a robot that learns through trial and error, just like a child. So does that mean the world of personal robots is just around the corner? Self-driving cars are now on the horizon. Maybe even closer than that. I mean, they're already legal in 3 states, and they've proven to be more efficient and safer than us behind the wheel. Is the way we get around about to change? What about 3D printing? We've been hearing about this more and more recently, and it seems interesting, but how will it impact us? Well, with consumer-grade 3D printers, accidentally breaking an object now means you just reprint it. And more advanced 3D printers are now in the production phase of biological printing. That means we'll be able to print out custom organs with no risk of rejection. Imagine the hope this is going to bring to patients worldwide. So who are the people behind this technological boom? What is it that drives them? How did they climb to the forefront of their field? And what's their vision for what comes next?
The computer in your cell phone today is 1,000,000 times cheaper, 1,000,000 times smaller, 1,000 times more powerful. That's a billion-fold increase in capability per dollar that we've actually experienced since I was a student. And we're going to do it again in the next 25 years.
On Best of Our Knowledge, we'll sit down with some of the greatest minds. We'll ask them about their projects, their vision of the future, how it'll affect the rest of us. New York City is becoming a major hub for the tech world.
And I want us to grow faster and bigger, so when people talk about tech startups, they talk about Silicon Valley and New York City before anywhere else, and our administration is looking every possible way to support entrepreneurs and innovation.
And companies are responding. Many are now based in the city. We'll invite their brightest to join our panel discussions and talk about their creations, like Google Glass. Its designers are working right here in Manhattan, so we'll demo Glass and other new technology live on the show. New York also gives us access to some of the most brilliant academic minds on the planet.
You need to compel the nation to value space exploration on a level so deep that it transcends the winds of political discourse.
Neil deGrasse Tyson is one of my personal heroes. The internet loves him too. His online popularity has really made him a new breed of celebrity. Best of Our Knowledge will get all of these inspirational people together on our desk for a long-form panel discussion. Our talks will touch on science and technology and education. We'll also touch on the inspirational stories behind these incredible people. We're going to find out what makes them who they are. Our shows will provoke excitement and controversy, conversation, and inspiration. Looking around the world today, it's easy to have a jaded view about how things are going, but Best of Our Knowledge offers a fantastic antidote. And I think the world is seeking some optimism. Technology has come so far, it's difficult to conceive of what might be coming next. Human ingenuity is changing the world in ways that will have long-lasting effects. Our clear view of the future has definitely blurred. So let's take this journey together. Let's find out where the 21st century might be headed.